Let's take a look at this kit that we have for high school, Rocks and Minerals, the Stuff of the Earth. It's a semester long, and it's going to take a biblical approach to understanding the rocks and minerals. So let's see what's in this kit. Right off the bat, you can see we have our signature samples in here. We have sedimentary samples, all individually labeled and bagged. Volcanic samples. Crystal habits. That's going to be one of the subjects in the book, crystal habits. The metamorphic rocks. Plutonic rocks. And we have a Mohs hardness test kit because you're going to be doing some testing of minerals, not rocks, minerals, because the Mohs test is designed primarily for testing minerals. And then, of course, the rock-forming minerals that you'll need to understand what goes into making up the different rocks. You have the textbook here, Rocks and Minerals, the Stuff of the Earth. Let's take a quick look at the table of contents. Here we go. So you can see in this one, you're going to be talking about rocks, their origins, the different types of rocks, mineral families, rock formations, rocks and minerals of the Bible. That's a fun study. And then you're also going to have some information on the periodic table, elements in Genesis. So a lot of really neat things to get into here. The focus, although you're going to be looking at rocks, is really going to be a lot more on the minerals, the makeup of the minerals, the chemical aspects of it. Every page you can see is in full color, beautiful illustrations, different rock samples, different areas from around the United States, around the world, demonstrating a lot of these different things that you're going to be studying. So this is Rocks and Minerals. It also has comprehensive exam and quizzes at the end of every lesson. You can find this kit at our website, northwesttreasuresgeology.com, for high school.